Hello dear students, I am Akanksha Joshi, founder director Kriya Viz. Thank you so much for registering for Verba Vista, which is an all India inter-school oratory challenge. This is an orientation video for the group 3 event, which is for grades 6 to 8. The event is AdMad. You can choose any product of your choice. Get creative, look around you. Anything from pencil to pen, shoes, electronic products, anything from the kitchen. Get chips, chocolates, shampoo, cream. Any product is fine. But you need to come up with an original brand name and an original tagline. What is a tagline? Tagline supports your brand. For example, McDonald's, I'm loving it. Nike, just do it. KFC, finger licking good. So come up with a short, creative tagline on your own. And now how to go about thinking how to advertise the product. First is the ideation. Come up with a rough idea what you would like to do, because you have to present it within 2 minutes, right? So you cannot have a very long advertisement going on, a presentation. So come up with a rough idea. How would you like to do it? What would be the scene like? Now, when you come to specifics, that's the conceptualization. What would be the dialogues? Would you be adding some music? Would there be some jingles? Will you be showing some posters? Anything? So all that, figuring out everything together and putting it all in a proper format, presenting it properly, that is your conceptualization. Let me just give you a demo of the same. So I have chosen pickles and my brand name is Pataka Pickles. So first you need to present your concept. Okay, in the beginning you'll be, where is this advertising taking place? Advertisement. If it is at home or school or office or playground, where is it? So accordingly you have to present that first, give us the concept, and then you will go ahead. So here the concept is that a family is sitting on the dining table for lunch together, and this little child comes and she looks at the lunch spread and she sees ki oh, dal hai, same wahi dal, roti and aloo ki sabzi. So this is how the child goes ahead. Mama, I don't want the same thing. क्या है वही दाल, रोटी, आलू, मुझे नहीं खाना. कुछ तो चटपटा खाने का मन था आज. वही क्यों बनाया? कहाँ है चटपटा? फटाका पिकल्स? ये कौन सा है? हाँ खा रही हूँ. It tickles. My heart whistles. झटपट, चटपट. Finish हो जाए फटाका. Pickles. मेरा, आपका, सबका favorite. Fataka pickles. Alright, so this is how you can present. You can get more creative. So first the concept, then support it with poster or music or jingles accordingly. And yes, dramatization will be a part of it. So something you would be showing. So just go through on the registration form. There are the details given. What are the criteria? All right, for the competition. It is creative thinking. So your original ideas, delivery, how are you presenting the entire concept, dramatization, how well have you been able to present your advertisement, and of course the confidence. Okay, so these are the criteria, and apart from this, any other query if you have, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you, all the best. I'll see you on 21st December in the morning at 10 a.m. Bye bye.